Siguro na pagbigay ko sa para palitan na lang sila. Palitan na lang sila.
Number 1, listen when the teacher speaks. Number 2, raise your hand to speak. Number 3, respect others' right to learn. And number 4, follow the attention signal immediately. Number 5, be responsible for your own learning.
What is the date for today?
Today is Friday.
What kind of the weather for today?
Today is sunny day.
Can you wait the something?
No. Here,
Our objective for today, identify the common drink I coffee. Chocolate milk and recognize the ingredient for it. Demonstrate the proper use of
Janka, you ask them to read. You ask them to read for you.
can you drink
The objective is teacher. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to identify 3 common drinks: iced coffee, chocolate, and milk. Recognize the ingredients in the each drink. Demonstrate properly.
Thank you so much, Mario. Once again, good afternoon.
so our motivation for today is
May I ask
Listen,
now,
ma'am.
Miss Nina to present the candidate.
the dictionary. I'm a little tea, short and sound. Here is my hand and here is my sound.
when I get to see you, oh, hear me shout. Eat me over and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my hand and here is my spout. When I get to see you, oh, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
So for today, so for today's topic is about the preparing some type of drink Hindi na kaya nakakaalam na. Ng takip natin. Anyone?
Teacher, I think we're going to make drinks today. Like, milkshake or chocolate cake. Thank
Our topic for the day is
Do you need help, teacher?
please help me. Preparing ice coffee.
Yay!
For the step one,
I can open it, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
can you give your attachment? Put in coffee powder in the glass. So where then now? Kaya, favorite na cup mo.
Do you need help, teacher? How to do it, teacher? Here.
Opo.
What is this, teacher?
Is chocolate.
Chocolate with coffee.
Now that
Opo.
the laser done, forget to say
How many scoops?
One.
We are now here for the family. Questions, comments, and suggestions?
No.
No. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tisha.
Thank you, teacher.
Can you hear?
Just,
Mayor?
we are in the-
Po? At the tulad, enjoy chocolate powder, and milk powder. Please, can you help Paula? Yes. Number one. Okay.
Spicy chocolate. Yeah, okay. How many cup? One.
Donna. Milk na lang. Each one. One. Donna.
Okay.
Liquid lang.
Oh, makakain ka.
Yan, wala nang pera. Five, three, two, one. A little bit. Hindi pa.
More and more.
Go lang kung ano mo.
You use the scoop instead.
Okay, you are in a
What about us teacher?
So are you using instead?
One cup.
Regardless, pero we would like to know, if your school is in and if your school is in and are you into creation of IDs, learners, or
And then,
even use media, something like that.
one scoop lang. Okay? One.
How do accept. You just accept because they have registered, enrolled, bayad sa tuition, tapos yun na. Ako. Okay. Excuse me, Miss Lina. Excuse me. Maybe some private schools, no, instead of kasi you do not know the setting of maybe you work on the private school, you learn this private. Then
Lola?
implementation of these guidelines in private schools so that we can also know how private schools these when it comes to the implementation of individuals and they are promoting what they are implementing. Yes, when we want them to know that. Do you agree how families will be ready for service title?
And yeah.
Dr. Randy, you have some questions? Dr. Bandy, we cannot hear you. Your background is too loud. Okay. Yes, for you. Yes, for you. Yes, for you.
Yeah. Can you? Yeah. Why not? You got? Why did you got? Pardon. Please, can you run? Wait, the cookie.
This one?
Yeah.
And actually,
What the problem? Intake the glass.
this one?
Yeah.
Comments?
How many schools?
Comments?
Just one?
Anything else?
Then,
And
Wait,
milk powder,
the sugar.
sugar. I don't like sugar. So,
pure couple. Yes po, as long as it's a pure couple on the end of the surgery.
This one is
In the private school, yes.
not teacher.
Put in. Right.
Ano po, psychologist po, registered psychologist. Actually po no, Dr. Rep,
Spears.
ano? Opo. Yan, yung mga Chinese schools po talaga. Ano, I would like to ask na lang, I suggest perhaps that you research with akarang would suggest that you would try to propose with three titles that is aligned with inclusive education.
Ganun.
And then she'll have to ask us to upload na lang which is which title ano, and as well as the SQ. Since right now, medyo when it comes to her participants in local is quite questionable. Baka po pwede mga kapatid concentrated in those.
Yes.
So I think how about the other families, do you agree that she will propose the guidance again working on the inclusive education? And then the variable, one of the variables will be the attitude. No? Okay, I think that would be all for now.
And you come. Yeah.
Are you still aligned with what you want with your students? You have to
Eh?
approve that title and
No, okay.
so that we can start working on it. Okay?
And powder.
I think Doc Mario, thank you.
Hindi.
How many nights going to do?
Kahit lang.
Kahit ilan?
Yeah. Rin. You. Pakikapsarin nila ng tubig.
Ininom niya na. At niya na lang to ba?
Ay, naku!